Hello everybody, it is Mike Less with another video from my recent trip to the United Kingdom. I was over here visiting the Versatile dealer, GPM Agricultural, near Louth, UK, and one of their customers that has a Versatile Delta Track 550 come into the shop when I was there and got to talking to him. He said he was going to be cutting barley the next day, so the dealer was nice enough to bring me out to the field the one evening after we got done working to get this video. So they are in a bit of a drought here, so they tell me the harvest is just a little bit early, so I was lucky to catch this. But we're out here in the field with this customer's two Claas Lexion 760 combines with V900 headers on them. So obviously the biggest difference in Claas Lexion combines over here in Europe versus North America, the Nebraska built ones, is the color. So the ones in North America, of course, are yellow. And these ones are the Claas green. That's why I was excited to get this video for something a little different. Also in the video is two different tractors. There's a Massey Ferguson 6616 tractor and a Case IH Maxim 150. Both pulling these Barley dump wagons or dump carts. So that's something I do a little different over here. No big trucks or semis in the field that I could see. They just run these dump wagons here right beside the combine, can unload on the go, and then run it right back to the farm and unload and get back to the field. This was definitely a great trip. This will be my fifth time over here to Europe, first time in the UK, but I really like this trip. Of course, they speak English here too, so that helped. They just got a little different accent than we do, call some things different. Big difference, I was talking about semis or big trucks in the field, and they call those a lorry. So a couple things pronounced different. That was quite enjoyable speaking with them, talking about the differences. I was a few hours north of London here, and from what I could see, this area was mostly barley, winter wheat, sugar beets, some peas. I missed out on some pea harvest. I'll have a video coming up of some pea harvesters, or they call them pea viners over here. But they just got done. I did not get a video of them running, but that was something a little different. But then I did see some corn as we got on the train closer down to the London area. I was not able to get any information as far as yield or grain moisture or anything like that, but this area right up here had some pretty large farms, many fields up in this area, several hundred acres in size. So definitely a neat trip. Seen some neat equipment. Maybe I'll get another video going here of just some pictures I took of some different machinery I got to see over here that you don't see in North America. There's several more minutes of video left here, so I hope everybody enjoys this. And another crop up in this area I did not mention earlier was rapeseed or canola. Pretty big deal up in this part as well. So like I said, very enjoyable trip. I hope to get back here again someday.